Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Just a quick catch up on my beautiful cottage garden. Here we go. Beautiful forget-me-nots. There you go, absolutely gorgeous colour. I've got plenty of Easter bonnets, aqualegias. My beautiful hollyhocks are here. I've given them a spray for powdery mildew and rust, so they're looking well. Let's just have a quick turn around. Hedge could do with a good trim, as you can see. Just getting ready. This is the perfect time to give it a trim, probably 4 or 5 inches long. Keep it into touch. Beautiful tree there that I pruned last year, that needs thinning out a little bit. And I'll just take you, have a quick tour. Yeah, I've got some, these are my tree lilies, smell divine them. My white stalks there, these are my day lilies. And these are, oh I forget the name now, anemones I think they're called. Yeah, this is one of my favourite coloured aqualegias. The ones that point their heads to the sky is the best. This is my first pink, my carnation. It smells absolutely divine. My white bleeding heart, dicentra. And this is one of my lupins. Got it there for a second. As you can see, it's really nice flowers on that. It's first year I've been looked after it. I've sprayed it for powdery mildew. I've also sprayed it for caterpillars. And lupins. Peonies, sorry. Behind that. Look at them. But yeah, look at the size of this holly. This is going to be amazing this year. Definitely staking soon. These are one of the nice happy accident. Forget-me-nots there. Delphiniums here, that one, and this one here. Oh, lovely. Only grow about this much higher, but beautiful flowers. This is one of the peonies I got from Poundland, I think, in the third year. These are going to look absolutely divine. That's going to flower the first one. Beautiful buds on there. Just to give you a comparison, look at the size of them. Absolutely gorgeous. I have just a white poppy, perennial poppy that comes back every year. As soon as these are flowered, if you cut it back down to ground level, you then get a second flush of flowers. Beautiful bluebells. Another happy accident. This is some soil I got. I didn't realise there were bluebells in it. Yeah. Aqualegias again, gorgeous. This is a California poppy. Beautiful orange colour. This is like a double and a triple aqualegia. There we go. And the peony, this is one I got from Poundland. Probably like 10 years ago. I split it into 4 or 5, and this is just one section. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 flowers on that. Then we've got the bottom flower bed. Bit of that primulus. Really nice flowers on there. These are absolutely gorgeous, these. Problem with these, they bend downwards, so you have to bend down to see the flowers. Right. Quick buzz around here. These are some primulus that I got from one of the gardening channels. They arrived last year. I should have kept them in the greenhouse, but they will flower this year eventually. This is what happens when you let things dry out. The inside are not being well, but I'll cut these back and I'll get even bigger flowers off them later on in the year. It's my climbers. Yeah, this is one of my best. I have to check this. Look, this has definitely got caterpillars. You can see There's the leaves like make little nests, bend them over, and they stay inside there. So yeah, you can see they've done that with this one. It's all bent over. And I think there's a caterpillar in there. Yeah, look, just see that one there. That leaf, I'll just show you. You can see that. Hey, look, see it there. Making some real damage there. But yeah, this is my climber. There's some beautiful flowers on it this year. Clematis, don't get there in the end. But yeah, this first year's really done well. Watered it well. There's this temporary pot round it to extend the root system. There's one there that's in that little pot behind. And these are my pelargoniums. I've let these dry out as well. These need a good water again. See with the colour of the leaves. Daylilies there. Standard rose that one of the neighbours bought for helping them out. These should be the first spots to flower. And a quick view, as you can see, everything's starting to look really nice. I'm going to shape this border. This, I thought I can have more like these shapes, up and down, square blocks, all the way down to the fence post. Anyway, that's a quick catch up on my garden. If you've got any questions regarding anything that I've grown here, don't hesitate to ask. If you like the video, please subscribe. And remember folks, happy sowing, happy growing. Please keep safe. Thank you everybody. Bye.